Happy morning, students. Today's topic, types of lever. Types of lever. What is lever? Lever are simple machines. Lever are simple machines. They are used to do work with the least amount of effort. There are many objects we use daily that are levers. How can we use levers? A lever is a bar that is free to pivot or turn about a fixed point. Okay, next one, parts of a lever. Different parts of a lever. Load, effort, fulcrum. Load, effort, fulcrum. These are all the parts of a lever. Okay, what is load? What is load? Weight of part or object being lifted. Weight of part or object being lifted is called load. And what is effort? Force applied to lift load is called effort. We use force. We use force applied to lift is called load. For example, I can use this. This is as a load. Here, this is a load. This is a load. I keep it this side and I use effort. Okay, I use effort to lift this object. This is called effort. Okay, next one, fulcrum. And fulcrum, a lever is a bar that is free to turn around a fixed point is called fulcrum. Lever is a bar that is free to turn around the fixed point, that is called fulcrum. Three types of levers are there based on the position of fulcrum. Three types of levers based on the position of fulcrum. Class 1 lever, class 2 lever and class 3 lever. Class 1 lever, class 2 lever, example lemon squeezer. Class 3 lever, example stapler and tongs. First one, class 1 lever, example scissor and cutting pliers. Fulcrum is located in between the effort and resistance for used to multiply force. If a large force is used to shorten end, it can multiply distance. In simple words, when the fulcrum, this is the fulcrum, okay, this point is known as fulcrum. So lever is a bar. Lever is a bar that is free to turn around it, to turn around the fixed point. Fixed point. So this is a fulcrum region and we can use this side load. Okay, this side we can use the load and this side we put effort. Okay, this side we put effort, that is known as class first lever. Okay, we put load here and this is a fulcrum region and we put effort here. Okay, and another example, cutting pliers. Plier at the same method is applied here. So this region is a fulcrum region and this region load. Okay, load and we put effort here. So this is a class 1 lever. Coming to class 2 lever, example lemon squeezer. Okay, example lemon squeezer. In this lemon squeezer, second class lever, load is located in between the effort. Okay, in this region we put effort here. Okay, this region is a fulcrum region. So it can turn this side or this side. Okay, and we put, this is a load. We put load here at the center and we can use the effort. We can use the effort of fulcrum. Okay, we can use the effort here. Okay, this is a class 2 lever. And next one, class 3 lever. Class 3 lever, example stapler and tongs. Class 3 lever have the effort placed between the load and fulcrum. The effort always travels a shorter distance and must be greater the load. Example stapler. Example stapler, we put effort here only. So this side we can use only paper. For example paper, we use paper here. This is a load region. This is a load. This region is load we put effort here, and this region is fulcrum region. Okay, can you understand this one? Yes, same thing is applied here. Load, effort and fulcrum. Load, effort and fulcrum region. Let us recall today's question. Types of lever. Lever. What is lever? Lever are a simple machines and they are used to do work with the least amount of effort. Okay. And parts of a lever: load, effort and fulcrum. Load. Load is the weight of part or object being lifted. Okay. That is load. And effort. Effort means, imagine students, I am going to show one thing. Okay. Imagine effort. I keep this one effort. This is a load. I keep it this side. This region is known as fulcrum region. Okay, I put effort here, so I can lift this object. I can lift this object. So effort. I put effort here. This region is a fulcrum region, and this is a load. And next one, fulcrum. What is fulcrum? A lever is a bar that is free to turn around fixed point. So fixed point. See, this is a class 2 lever. Example, lemon squeezer, fixed point. And this, so different types of fulcrum. This is on a class 1 lever. Fulcrum is present here. Class 2 lever, fulcrum is present here. Okay. And class 1 lever. Class 1 lever, example, scissor and cutting pliers. We put load here, this side, and fulcrum, we put effort this side. Okay. And next one, class 2 lever, example, lemon squeezer. In this region, this load is in between the fulcrum and effort. In between the fulcrum and effort, we can make lemon juice. Okay, and all. And next one, class 3 lever, example, stapler and tongues. This side we can put load and effort. This side is a fulcrum region. Okay students, thank you.